What's up, guys? It's Levi with Project Junkeez. Okay, so we're at it again today at a customer's house. We're about to tear out their fireplace. We're doing basically a fireplace overhaul. So we're going from a bland, boring, builder-grade fireplace to tile and shiplap with a kick-ass wood mantle, all that fun stuff. Yeah, let's get after it. All right, so we got all this prep done. We're about to knock this thing out. So the way this is gonna go, I'll show you a picture up here. But this is all gonna be tile underneath, and it's just gonna have a wood mantle, and then the rest of it, all the way to the ceiling, is gonna be shiplap. So basically we're gonna have a horizontal piece of trim going right where the mantle's at, and then we've got the entire thing outlined in trim with shiplap in the middle, and then tile around the fireplace on the bottom. Tomorrow we'll do tile down here. It's gonna be a kick-ass fireplace. Got everything tiled out.